Today, for a health tip, we want to deal with the papaya leaf. Yes, I said the papaya leaf. And we are going to look at several qualities or several benefits that can emerge from use of the papaya leaf. So let us look at the papaya leaf. First, let me just give you an indication as to the name. Uh, when we talk about papaya, we are speaking about the carica papaya, and that's the overall biological name given to this plant. We all know it as the pawpaw, which is a tropical fruit bearing tree. It is a native of Mexico and the northern regions of South America, but it's also well grown in the Caribbean. It doesn't have only food value as such, it also has a lot of what we'd say pharmaceutical potential, and many tests have been run on this papaya leaf, and there are several emerging benefits that one could talk about. First, we have it may treat symptoms related to dengue fever. In fact, some doctors are actually saying that it proved, right, that it will cure dengue within 1 day. What we see, dengue, which is a mosquito-borne virus, and can be transmitted from human to human and cause a flu-like symptom such as a fever, fatigue, headache, nausea, vomiting, etc. We know what it does. It reduces the platelet levels in the blood, but the low platelet level can contribute to an increased risk of bleeding and a potentially fatal if left untreated. So, by using the papaya leaf extract, it would significantly increase the blood platelet levels. So we know that this is one of the conventional treatments for the dengue disease. We also find that papaya leaf is often used, and the Mexican folks use it as a medicine, as a natural therapy in the treatment of diabetes and the improving of blood sugar. So it could help to put your blood sugar under control. Now, a lot of the tests that has been done clinically was being done on mice, and it has the potential to deal with the lowering of the blood sugar effects upon the animal. So likewise in a human, it is expected that, or it has been used in the past for that purpose, right? So we look at another function number 3. It may support digestive function. From what they said, the tea extracted from the papaya leaf are often used as alternative therapy to alleviate uncomfortable digestive symptoms such as gas, bloating, and heartburn. Right? So this is another. So the nutrients and the compounds in the papaya leaf may alleviate digestive disturbances, right? However, we know that enough research has not been done on this to date. And next, number 4, it may have anti-inflammatory effects. In other words, what we are talking about here is that the leaves, again, can be frequently used as a remedy on a broad range of internal and external inflammatory conditions, including skin rashes, muscle aches, and joint pain. Papaya leaf contains various nutrients and plant compounds with potential anti-inflammatory benefits such as papain, flavonoids, and vitamin E. So we are seeing that the compound with potential anti-inflammatory effects, right? But human studies have not been enough have done not been done enough to be very conclusive about that. Number 5, it may support hair growth. Now, topical applications of papaya leaf mask and juices are often used to improve hair growth and scalp health, but evidence to support it is efficacy for these purposes is extremely limited. In other words, enough research has not been done to say for a fact that this is so. However, in the past, we see that eating antioxidant rich foods may help alleviate oxidative stress and subsequently improve. Papaya leaf contains several compounds with antioxidant properties such as flavonoids and vitamin E. So again, we are seeing this is another quality in the papaya leaf that will be of benefit. Then we see the next one is that it may promote healthy skin. Papaya leaf is frequently consumed orally or applied topically as a way to maintain soft, clear, and youthful skin. A protein dissolving enzyme in papaya leaf called papain can be used topically as an exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and potentially reduce the occurrence of clogged pores, ingrown hairs, and acne. Right? So we see that the enzyme papain has been used to promote wound healing, and one study has found they minimize the appearance of scar tissues, and this experiment was done in rabbits, right? Uh, we see number 7, it may have anti-cancer properties. Papaya leaf has been used in traditional medicine practices to prevent and treat certain types of cancer, but modern research is still lacking. So we don't have enough research yet. However, they said the papaya leaf extract has demonstrated a powerful ability to inhibit the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells in test tube studies, but neither animal nor human experiments have replicated these results. So in test tube studies, this has proven to be able to deal with cancer cells, but it is test tube. So what we are looking here is that the papaya leaf has potential, a lot of potential to deal with several different situations, right? We know in particular the whole issue of the dengue is very important because in the past it has been used to a great extent to deal with dengue. But nonetheless, let us understand that we are dealing with the papaya leaf here, and we can use the papaya leaf to help in these situations because at the end of the day, we know it can benefit you. So don't discard the papaya leaf, take it and use it in these various situations.